welcome to Nailevition. Today I'm going to show you this salon quick design, pastel pink petal design. It is really quick and doesn't require too much skill. With this design, I'm using Nurevolution Ombre colors, 7A and 6B. This is like a semi-clear purple pink. This is like a semi-clear purple. We're going to use this tool to do the ombre. I'm also going to need this Twinkle collection, number 23, sparkling champagne. It's like a champagne light gold kind of foil gel. It has little sparkles like foils inside, and we also need the number 1 white out front white gel. I'm going to need 2 brushes. One is pointed 3D brush and one is liner. Now let's begin. Okay, to start, I'm putting on the number 6B. It's like a clear purple to all 5 nails. For 30 seconds. Next, we're going to use our white gel and some clear. So this is a point 3D brush. I'm going to wet my brush and then grab some white gel on the tip. Okay, and then I'm going to draw flowers on first, third, and a little bit on second and 5th. Leave the number 4 free. Just drop down, gently release. It will be like a petal. So with the first one, we just go random. Move the petals to different directions. We're going to do 2 layers of petals, so just don't go too full on the first layer because we can fill up the empty spaces on the second go. Okay, I'm happy with the first one. Now let's do the third one. Third one, I'm going to go with the straight direction. Okay, that's it. And second one, I'm just going to do like a few fallen petals. Okay, when I'm done, cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to do the ombre with 7A. It's like a clear purple on all 5 nails. When I'm doing it, I like to wipe both sides of the brush off and then use one side to grab about 1/3 or 1/4 of the gel. Not too much, just this much. Okay, so I'm doing it, dabbing it on the top, and then slowly I'm pulling down the colors. Now, I'm not taking any more gels during the process. So I'm just pulling down whatever is left on the top of the nail. So as you can see, one is down to the bottom. You can barely see the colors. So this is a pretty clear ombre. if you want the ombre effect to be more down, you can pull the color down a little bit more. Like this. And then do the same to the rest of the nails. Okay, and you're happy with the result, you can cure for 30 seconds. Okay, after curing, we're going for the second layer of the petals. So we can cover the first layer petals for a little bit, but try not to do it the same direction with the first layer. You do it in a different direction. So look like the petals has fallen down. Okay, after I have done all the petals, we cure for 30 seconds. After it's been cured, I'm going in with the Twinkle 23. It's like a light gold sparkles. I'm going to need really small amounts. Okay, so just a bit here and there. With this one, I'm going to wipe the brush both sides. Make sure it looks clean. So, about like this. And then I'm going to go from top to bottom. Just one go. Just like this. This is enough. Using a clean gel brush, bring the foil gel to more spread. Spread the foil gel just put before. Okay, and cure for 30 seconds. Okay. Now I'm going to apply some gold foil onto the nail. You don't need like huge pieces, just small piece. Using the Nailevition layer, we just cure the gel to stick the foil. If it's too big, you can break it open. Do that to all the 5 nails. Make sure they are flat. After you apply the foil, just make sure they are all flat. Okay, now I'm going to cover it with a clear gel. Okay, after apply it, just have a check, see if the surface of the nail is all smooth. Everything good, just cure for 30 seconds. Okay, now the nail has been cured for 30 seconds. I'm going to clean all the surface, take off all the inhibition layers. Okay, now I'm going to apply some gold chain onto the big nail and the number 4 nail. Okay, I'm going to use a bling gel. This gel is designed for putting on accessories. Okay, we do the thumb first. I'll take the chain and then put it flat into the gel. Don't dunk it inside the gel, just on one side. Okay, and then slowly put it onto the nail. Place it not right to the end of the nail. Leave it a little rim, about half a millimeter to the cuticle. Okay, this is one. And we're going to do the same to the fourth one. With this one, I'm going to do it not even. So one side longer, one side shorter. Okay? Like this. And then I'm going to need some metal pins. Find one. I'm going to apply it here. So dip into the bling gel, apply to the nail. Move to the place you want it to be. And then I'm going to put on some white crystals. Two is over there at the very bottom. And then I'm going to put this at the corners of the thumb. Don't worry about these three because we can draw the outlines later. So with the accessory, this is how much I'm going to do. And now curing for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to do something to the middle one. I'm going to apply a white tape on the middle of the nail. Use a silicone pusher to make sure that everything sticks. There's no bubbles and no gaps between the tape and the nail. Okay, and now I'm going to put a line of letter stickers on top of the white tape. So I'm going to do this with Destiny. So you don't need to like take the sticker off and then cut it and then put it back on. What you can do, use a small knife, just cut it on top, and then you can take the ones you cut off. Choose the place and stick it on. Now I'm going to use the white gel and the liner brush to draw outlines around this one and this one and this one. This is the middle one. I'm just going to do the top part. After you did all the nail, cure for 30 seconds. After you have done with the curing, apply top coat. Remember to cover the metal parts. After you have done all the nail, just cure for 30 seconds and you're done. This is the finished nails. It's very refreshing and very girly. You can also do it in different color themes. If this is the purple one, you can also do it in pink or red or blue, whatever colors you like. Hope you liked today's salon videos. I'll see you at my next video.